Yo, what's going on, YouTube? I know y'all been waiting on a couple of videos. This is my last video. A couple of things didn't happen. I lost the keys to the Tahoe, had to get some new ones made, etc., etc. The battery went dead on me one cold day, and I never been able to get the car started since then. Working from the Tahoe to the Regal, back and forth. So, and that's another thing taking a lot of my time. Moving from one vehicle to another, not just spending all my time on one vehicle and getting it done. So what we're doing today is trying to get some more footage for you guys for the Tahoe and figure out what's going on with it. If it was just cold, the reason why the battery went dead, or do I have to go on and buy a whole new battery for the Tahoe? So that's what we're doing today. Pop's out here helping me to got a little cold a couple days ago, and the car just didn't want to start. Then once it did warm up, by the time I drained the battery down to the point where it couldn't get used anymore, took the battery up to AutoZone, got it charged, and the truck starts right up. Oh, thank God. Okay, so this what's been happening for the last. All right, so we got the truck back started thanks to the help of Pops. Everything's good on this. What I'm gonna do is get some more footage to y'all. I honestly don't know what's going on with the truck right now, and I've been scared to release any footage because of it. But I mean, it's a car, so anything could happen at any given moment. Like I said, got the truck back started today. Gonna take it for a test spin, figure out what's going on. Luckily, it's a 96, so guess what? I get to put it on a diagnostic machine. All right, y'all, so I'm about to take a drive in the Tahoe. The first time since it's been messing up on me. I don't really know what's going on with the car, maybe. It's got gas in it, oil level looks good.
Things we do for these videos, you guys would never know. Never know it all.
The car's driving pretty smooth for me. I don't see any reason why it was messing up. Like I said, I'm actually pretty satisfied with the way it's driving, seeing that the car hasn't started. Just, I don't know, I don't know what could be going on with it. This is the reason why I don't want to rush and just give it away, especially a person who doesn't know how to work on a car. If a person does get the car, they're going to be looking like, oh my God, man, these guys didn't know what they were doing. Like, they just gave me a car and it's not running, it's not driving. So today I feel, the day I can go 2-3 weeks inside the vehicle and nothing goes wrong with it, as far as running, starting, oil check, transmission's good, the fluid and everything. Like, as long as, if I can go 2-3 whole weeks without anything going on with the truck after I get all of the modifications done that I want to see on it, that's when I'll be ready to get the vehicle away. But until then, I don't think it'll happen anytime soon. Like I said, I'm still trying to figure the vehicle out myself and understand what's going on with it. I'm gonna chill. Got the kiddos with me today. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to make content for y'all. I don't really know which direction to go with all of this. I just know I want to get a message across. I know I want to show people how to work on cars. I know I want to show people how to wake up and do this on their own. You know what I'm saying? For those who just don't know how to work on cars, and for those who just need a pep in their step in general. You gotta make that opportunity for yourself. Opportunities just don't come around like this. So you gotta make opportunities happen for yourself. For those who are just, you know what I'm saying, just sitting at the house with trying to figure out what's next, what's the next step they need to take. Just get up and do something. No matter what it is, do something unusual, do something that you wouldn't normally do. Put yourself in an uncomfortable position. Make yourself succeed, and you will know that there's no limit to whatever you want to do in life. That's just a quick message that I would vent to somebody if they were just watching this, and I would want to see something like that in the middle of it if I'm watching a car video or anything like that. So that's what this is about. Yeah, we finna go on there, and as y'all can see, my kids, they are bugging the crap out of me. They just in my ear, on my hip, they on the back of me. But listen, we still got to get it done. So what we come up here to do, get this check engine light looked at, figure out, see if they can tell us what's going on with the car, and then go from there. So I'll get back with you guys whenever I do this. What? Come on. All right, we back. Gonna get her lift daddy. Okay, keys are already in there. What? Come there. Started right up. All right, you ain't never done that before. It's that easy. You hook it up, read your computer, come in here, plug it back up to their computer, and then get the codes off, and then give you the list. It's a two-wheel drive, so if it is. These are the distributors. 170, 160. All right, so that was it. What I got here is a list of things that I need to do. A couple of distributors listed here if I wanted to buy any of them from here. We also have the part code. P300 is what came up when she put the diagnostic machine on the truck. Ah, come on, baby. Let's get in the car. Jump. In the car seat. So $167. Pretty much 200 big ones to replace the distributor, and that's what's coming next. Yo, all right, so to sum the video all up, when I first started the car messing up on me, I was under the impression that it was just the battery. It wound up being the distributor, which they both would have wound up costing the same amount of money. I would have came out of roughly about $100 to $200, no matter which way I went, the battery or the distributor. In the next video, y'all will see me putting on the distributor, take it out, put it in, and we'll go over all of it. We just, you know, bless the game. Trying to bless people. So again, like I said, so it wound up not being a battery, it wound up being a distributor. $175, $200 after everything's said and done. But that's not bad though, that's not bad. The car I have a brand new distributor on. If you guys like the content, comment below. Team Heavy Chevy, man. I'm out here, I'm trying to, you know, make a positive change in the world. The help of my brother, I think we can make it happen.
Nori on this Honda build.
Man, hey man, forget that tune. We all about the muscle.
Listen,
is it courage?
Like, subscribe and comment to this channel. Y'all do not want to miss out on what's going on, especially if you are the one in need.
It is kindness and peace in the world. So let me see y'all throw y'all seeds of courage. But yeah, man, we just hoping this message like resonates in the world and somebody else decides to wake up and just do something like this too. It is what it is, man. We'll catch y'all on the next video. Curry's in the house and we in full effect. We appreciate y'all, all the views, the love, the comments, all of that. Just keep them coming in, keep them raining down on us, showering. Pour all the love on us, because the more love we get, the more love we gonna give back. You best believe that. We came into the YouTube game to change it up. This is not about, you know, being the biggest competitor, making the most money, making this, making that. No, this is about giving back and being humble. Just being humble, realistically. Just being humble. So like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. We coming back with y'all with crazy content, crazy videos. Everything is fresh, everything is new. I'm trying to give it back to y'all. And so is my brother. So y'all like the channel, man. Y'all like the channel. Like, comment, and subscribe. Curry's in the house.
Team Nori.
On the build. Throw your seeds up.
Team Nori.
Throw your C's up, man. We trying to make it in this world. That's what the C stands for. Change, courage, change, charity, fucking curry. I mean, I don't know what else to say.